Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm using the Made You Look body paints. I'm really starting to like these. I like how moisturizing they are, and they're very creamy. So, I showed the blue one there. I didn't know if I wanted to use blue for this look or not, but I'm definitely going to use black, white, and red. I also have in some cross contacts from Camo Eyes, and I'm going in with my foundation. This is the color Rose from Wet n Wild, and again using that Love is the Foundation brush from It Cosmetics. Here I'm just going in with a flat brush and starting to apply some white paint. I'm not the first person to do this, and I'm certainly not the best person to do this, but I tried to make a fluffy collar with the white and red paint. You can be the judge of how well my first attempt at this turned out. I'm sure if I keep at this long enough, eventually my talent will improve. I really struggled with this part of my neck here. You see it when it's on camera, but when I was painting, it's on the opposite side to my painting hand, and I had a really hard time turning to the mirror so that I could actually see what I was doing there. I don't know how some people manage to do that with such ease. And here I'm just going in with the red then. And then here I'm going in with a liner brush and some black. I don't know, I struggled a little bit with this, I'm not gonna lie. The brush wanted to bend in ways contrary to how I was trying to manipulate it, and I ended up painting some lines that I didn't want to paint, and also making some lines a lot thicker than I wanted to. And also the brush just doesn't hold a lot of paint. I had to dip back in several times just to draw a single line, so not my favorite, but I did my best. There are some really talented body painters out there, and I have so much respect and amazement at how some of them can manipulate a medium on their flesh in a mirror and still have it turn out so realistic and so incredible. Yeah, I don't know, I need more practice. But that's what this channel is all about. I'm documenting my journey into makeup and body paint and special effects I love art, and this was just a new medium for me to try my creativity with. So I decided that I was going to do 31 Days of Halloween and try my best to come up with something every day and post a video about it. So I hope that you can enjoy this journey alongside me and watch me grow. See that you'll notice that I forgot to line that last one because I can't see it when I'm looking in the mirror. It's off too far to the side from where I'm looking in the mirror. I didn't see it. I'm doing my best to shade here. I know the red bits look a little weird. I was trying my best to add shadow to make it look like a folded piece of cloth. Everything gets better with practice. Just keep telling yourself that. And here I'm shading around the pieces as well. Probably went a little ham on my face, but I'm not going to worry about that. And here I'm adding some eyeshadow to my eyes. On purpose, I decided that I wasn't going to do super clean. The collar piece kind of started to look like something that was spray painted, kind of like a graffiti type of thing, so I decided that I was going to make the rest of the makeup really sloppy too. So here I'm just mix and matching that black and red. And then I go in with a fluffy brush and just blend out the edges just a tiny bit. And here I'm going in with that black on a liner brush again, and I start to add that typical clown diamond shape to the eyes. And then I'm going in with the red. I don't know, maybe I should have flipped the black and red to be the opposite of what the eyes were, but I decided that I was going to do the black on black and red on red, which looks fine. It just accentuated the switch from one side to the other. And then I start painting the lips. And if anybody watching this knows me, there was a time when I wore my lipstick very pointy on a regular basis because I thought it looked nice, and then everybody had a problem with it, so I stopped doing it. But I still do really like just clown makeup in general. I used to paint on just like little daggers under my eyes and go to high school like that. With pointed black and red lipstick. Oh, the places you'll go. They could see me now. And then off camera here, I splattered some red and black on as well. And that's the final look. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Happy Halloween!